You know all those shiny objects that capture like your eye and you kind of go, ooh, want that, ooh, that's the next coolest social channel, ooh, ooh, ooh. They all suck. You know, people like go, ooh, this is hot, and everyone wants to go on it. And that could be a social channel, or it could be this thing or this medium, or oh, everyone wants to do memes, or everyone wants to do this, that, da, 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 da. Here's the deal. That stuff doesn't flow power to us. We flow power to it. It does not give us life. We give life to it. Do not forget where the actual inspiration comes from. The inspiration, you put life into those things. You are in the business of actually creating amazing content. You're in the business of creating amazing, changing minds, shifting viewpoints, taking people from here to here in the blink of an eye. So that's the thing. Do not mistake your power with the shiny object. Don't do it. It's an instant death sentence.